Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited because I am releasing a brand new card class for you. This one is called the Sweet as a Peach card class to go, and as its name says it features the beautiful Sweet as a Peach bundle. I love this stamp set. Definitely the font is fantastic, but also I love that you get different sentiments like birthday and thank yous, just because I think that this is a really great one. So definitely a good one to have. Now, as you can see, this card class includes 6 different card designs, and as usual, I have 2 options for you to pick. The option 1 is for those of you who wants to get the whole kit to make this class, or these cards. And so it will include the pack for all the cardstock and all the different pieces cut out. Now, I only cut out labels. If it is cut out with the bundle, I won't cut out, especially because you have to stamp and then die cut it. So anything that is cut out with this bundle, you're gonna have to do that. But everything else, like the labels, like as you can see, I feel like in this one I used a lot of labels. So all the labels, all the paper will be cut out. Another thing here to note is that it will include an open with ribbon in the pale papaya, so you get a full spool, because that's what we use throughout this class. And then also the champagne rhinestones as well, because again, we're going to be using it throughout the class. And then of course you're going to get a half of a pack of the designer series paper You Are a Peach. Now, one thing to know is I do not cut out the designer series paper because it's easier for me to mail it to you, and then you can also mix and match whichever you like. So I love the Stampin' Up designer series paper because all the paper can coordinate. So if there's a specific one that you want to use or change out, you can do so. So anyway, so that's so the option 1, it's $47. It ships priority. So there's tracking, and it usually arrives 2 to 3 days after I mail it. The other thing I need to make sure you know is that you need to have this bundle for you to get it, for you to complete all the cards. So I'll add an option for you to add on this bundle on your registration, so that when I mail the packet, I can send you also the bundle in case you don't have it and you want me to include it in your packet. So that's option 1. Now, option 2, did I say the price? The price for that is $47 plus $8 shipping. Now, the option 2 is for those of you who already have all the embellishments, the ribbon, the rhinestones, the paper. You don't need me to cut out anything. You just need the instructions. That option is option 2, and you just go to my tutorial store at creatingwithali.com/shop, and I'll put here a link to the particular class here so you can go directly there. But when you go there, you just purchase the tutorial. Is $20, and you'll get immediately an email as well as a link to be able to download the class. For the ones that want option 1, make sure you're on my mailing list, because I cannot post here really the registration form. You have to email me at ali@creatingwithali.com, or if you are in my mailing list, I can you'll be getting all the information about my classes. So definitely I'll put the information in the description of this video, so make sure you read there so that you can get the links. But also you can email me at ali@creatingwithali.com, and I'll mail that to you. So anyway, I'll send you the registration link as well. So anyway, so thank you so much. I hope you join me. I feel like this card class is really beautiful. All the projects, as you can see, it look really great, and I can't wait to see you there. I know you're gonna enjoy it. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, leave it on the comments. I'll go back and reply, or you can email me, and I can wait to see you inside of the class. So thanks so much. Bye for now.